What's good?
Ship membership. Some of the ship.
Yeah.
Some ship. The relationship.
Yo, Mishka, she say for wipe me sweat for me. No, me have. She say I fair original job, it's not here. Yeah, Mishka, she say she are the original towel woman. I know you.
Towel woman.
I know you.
Left the towel.
Left the towel.
I'm not doing my job good.
Towel boss, look.
Shauna, take my job.
Wipe me, baby.
Yeah.
Yo, my name is 10. Oi, my name is 10 star. You know what? Let me not say nothing. Yeah, 10 pint. 10 pint. Me not take none of your pint.
No.
Just stay here, have a drink, smoke a joint. Me not take. Listen, Mishka says she's fired.
Mishka say you're fired.
Yo, it's like big up, Botswana.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. But bless. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on a beat and you can't see. Part on the screen, one burner down Vybz Kartel has been put in the hot seat because boy, Shauna Controlla almost bust the thing. Meaning she already saw a wipe off the king and all of this stuff. No, she have one youth that she plans on marrying. Yes, and this is why the people them said 10 point over this invest in Shauna Chin because he is looking, to get that link with Gaza Nation and Vybz Kartel for that collaboration. But only time will tell if his investments will pay off. Just the other day, UnforgettableKay, divorced him and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? The other day, we said the other T-list of them, them, the Pan World Tour with next man program and all of this stuff. Them people there. Kkvsh, Blueface, and you don't know the one of them King Don, you see me say, wifing up a lot of girls that, been around the world with a lot of who's. You feel what I mean? But when I start giving them a quick update while go on from not to go on. When a rich man want your woman and you can't do nothing for them. Boy, these hoes ain't loyal, And we did talk about this the other day on my TikTok page. But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next. Now people that look like Rich Rush and her ex-wife Shania over this war again, You see me saying, you can see Shania up in the comment section basically laughing at homegirl and her new queen. You know what I mean? Boy. One bag of sentiment, my people. You know what I mean? So let's hear what Rich Rush is dealing with and then we'll proceed on to the next trending topic.
Anyways, me come and tell a story and then gone left the storytelling. So as I was saying, so we was in our section, everything good, we left. All of that fine. So I was calling my sister. Come on. I was calling my sister because we need to discuss something and she said, send me text you. I'm saying, what? And she said, something there, come in my section and hug me. I'm saying, oh, and she's like, Shania, come in there, come hug her. And she said, you know me? And she's like, oh yeah, I know you. Were we discussing costumes on TikTok? She said, you don't know me? And basically because my sister was very upset. So either case a mistake, an identity or whatever the case, or just being too fucking enough and friendly. But my sister friend should be dead because as I said, I just left the party because I know I have the morning thing to do now. So Vista friend said, okay, you see, I reach an enemy. Vista tells her, reach an enemy, like fuck she come out with me, mom was to kick her in her chest. So when my sister said that, no, she's shocked because she didn't realize who it was, and she walk off shame. I'm just like, you see how you talk shit online and you don't even know who is who? Now God really spared me, spared her and me because I would have been in jail. Make me leave right before that because I kid you not, that would have been not the right place for her to be with my actual family at this party and accidentally come over there. Getting the thing said, right? She should know my dead sister, right? She lucky it wasn't like in the heat, in the situation when too much time in the past.
She lucky I never meet just one. Yeah, one Ras Azers. Yeah, man. She should have engaged first. Stylist days. One Ras Azers.
And for me, it's the principle of my kid. Like the way she spoke about my child, it's up whenever. I don't even care about carnival day. That's why I'm gonna do sponsorship, you know, because that little mash up. It's me CR. I don't care.
Yeah, it just seems like these two are going to be forever at it, especially, you know, since them bring up Pitney and all of these good stuff, you feel me? But when that's giving an update while going for not to go and the duo is back at it again. Yeah. Okay, people, from right there, yeah, a lot of people have been sending me clippings of, you know, some Gaza vloggers, you know, talking about Popcaan. You know, mom is still working in America and begging and all of these good things when he's a millionaire and all of them nice stuff. This is what I say. Like I said, I don't watch vloggers. I don't get my news from them. I'm not saying they're not credible or not, but me look at what's going on from what to go on, right? So, this is my opinion. I don't know what's going on with Popcaan and his family. You feel me? But if his mom wants to work, you know, let her work. You see what I say? You know, these type of thing keep, you know, senior citizens young, if you know what I mean. You see what I say? And, you know, there's nothing new under the sun, and they know this too. You know what I mean? So I'm pretty sure if she was in desperate need and things, Papi would have take care of that. You know what I mean? And you don't know, say, well, him sister name Unruly Squid. There were some rich producers and not nice and all of these straight good stuff and things. You know what I mean? There's a whole bunch of people in the family that can help and assist things. But sometimes these, you know, people of age, you know, they don't want that, you know. You see what I say? And if other mothers are taking assistance from their sons, cause you know Kartel get brought up in a mix, so be it. You know what I mean? Everybody is different, you see what I say? But that's just my honest opinion and things. I don't know what's going on with Popcaan and the family, but me know say most time a lot of old people, you know, they like to, you know, stay fit because they know so that's going to keep them going. Because once you slow down, yeah, you're no longer around. You see my people. Okay, people, time for some real mix-up now because Rosealee, bestie, one of her fans, them from America, wow, she's really going through it, as you can see. She posted a whole bunch of ish. She and her baby daddy is split. They have 4 kids together and she's just tired of holding it down, you know what I mean? She met him when he was nothing and got him a good job, you know what I mean? Working $200, 80 plus hours a week in a restaurant and all of this good stuff. Yeah, I know he is exposing them nastiness. Yeah, he is exposing where he lives with her. And they place Roach up and nasty up. So let's take a listen to what he has to say. And we'll proceed with the next.
People, broke it down, people. Watch a girl of the place. And the girl say me bad mind her because she gone to Jamaica, eh? Oh, me for bad mind a girl who gone to Jamaica. Go to Jamaica is what? Tell me. Oh, me for bad mind a girl who go to Jamaica. Jamaica no nothing, bro, for go to Jamaica, bro. Girl on no respect. Girl bring her own friend come in and even say hi to me. I want me to drop her at the airport. Go suck their mother. You see me? Girl go to Jamaica with her friend. And I no respect for me, dog, because she there on her stinking pussy friend, dog. I saw the girl nasty, dog. You see me? Now just because I talk about it, the girl say me bad man. Oh, me for bad man. Eh? Look how y'all live. Oh, me for bad man. Oh, me for bad man. Can't bad man. Can't bad man nobody my thing. Fly go to Jamaica and nothing, bro. That's nothing, bro. Just look on your lifestyle. And that every talk. Upon him style, got your bucket up with it. Dirty, dry. And all people do so, brother. All people do some of you. Yes, dirty and fuck. Girl named Diamond Dawes, bro. Diamond Dawes. She's nasty, bro. You never see a blood clot bits and nasty, bro. Never. Look there, bro. Yeah? Nasty as fuck. I want style, man. You can't style, man, and live like this, bitch. You think of it up, man, when you have style, man, like me. You think of it up. You have to have a clean place and money. You have to have ambition. You have to have a job. You can't live off of welfare. You can't collect government money and live like this and style me. Because I'm style, but you see me, because I live like this. You see me? So you have to know you come after me. Big woman thing. You feel it, say, you can't go to Jamaica if you want, bro. I'm happy if you want, bro. But tell you nothing, but look how you live. You see me? And just because you disrespect me, you're a big girl, big pussy friend. Make people see how you live. Because your friend now go style me. And they are Jamaica go on like on a war and style me. And you left a place like this. And I shut up my mouth like me or some waste one. Now bad people, Margaret, you can't style me. So you style me, I style back wickeder. You see me, I style for style. You can't style me. So don't ever tell people in bad mind. Because I go to Jamaica and nothing. That ain't nothing, bro. Nobody can go to Jamaica, bro. You say no used to nothing, bro. First time I go to Jamaica, girl. So calm down yourself. This is my born. If a bad mind, if I go somewhere, my born. Yeah? If I did that Jamaica, and you come and find me in a bad mind, you know? But if a bad mind, somewhere I'm born. I can't go back the time I want, bitch. Yeah. Gotcha. You can't my pity them live like this, bro. My pity them half me out of this house, dog. Gotcha. Pan this, sir. Oh, my buck, oh, my family pity live like this, bro. You wicked. Yeah, my pity live like this, bro.
I don't want to live here.
Yeah, my pity say don't want to live here. Watch it, roach all over the place, watch it. You can't live like this, bro. You have to get your things right, bitch. You're nasty. You think you can style big man? I'm a big man, I look for your lifestyle. You think my house can look like this? You go to my mother's house right now, you think mother's house look like this? All the brand new people, the machine, dog. You bring one jockey come washing the people, the machine. And mash up the people, the machine. Brand new washing machine. Brand new washing. Look on the house, bro. Brand new.
Yeah, wow. Anyway, people, we're not going to go long with this no longer. You see what I say? Bless.